Hey, boys and girls. For today's fluency, I want to talk about skip counting by fourths on a clock. Now that we've been working with fractions, I hope that you understand what a fourth is. Now remember, on a clock, we have 4/4, and it's every 15 minutes. So from the 12 to the 3 is 15 minutes, so that's 1/4, right? From the 3 to the 6, that's another fourth. From the 6 to the 9, that's another fourth. And from the 9 to the 12 is another fourth, which you know that 4/4, 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 4/4, which equals 1 whole, right? So when we're doing this, we can actually skip count and think about it in fourths, right? So let's skip count on our clock starting with 1 o'clock. So if I have 1 o'clock, here's my short hour hand, and remember straight up is the o'clock time. So we could start at 1 o'clock, and then let's skip count by fourths. 1:15, 1:30, right? See what I'm doing? 1:45, 2 o'clock. And we can keep going. 2 o'clock, 2:15, 2:30, 2:45, 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3:15, 3:30, 3:45, 4 o'clock. So every 15 minutes, remember, is your quarter. So remember, we've talked about this before, where 1 o'clock, if it's 15 minutes after, it's also a quarter past, a quarter after. So that's the quarter of the clock, and that's why we say after or past the o'clock hour, right? And we could continue. We could do half past, so we could do 1 o'clock, 1:15, 1:30, or half past 1 o'clock. Boy, there's lots of ways to say it. Remember, you could say quarter past. Then when we get over to 1:45, we could say it's 1:45 or 15 minutes to the next hour, which is 2 o'clock, or we can say a quarter to the next hour. So remember, you can skip count by quarters, and that